From our previous lesson, we found out that human wants are many and diversified. In order to fulfill them, goods and services must be produced. The goods produced must be able to satisfy the human needs. Therefore, this topic is very important. Production starts with the creation of goods and services and ends when the final consumer gets the product. The illustration shows the various stages of production.
Utility is the usefulness of a good or service, or the ability of a good or service to satisfy a human want. Types of utilities include form utility, place utility, time utility, and possession utility.
In order to produce something to fulfill human wants, certain things must be present. These things are called factors of production. What are factors of production?
Factors of production are the resources which facilitate production of goods and services. They include land, labor, capital, and the entrepreneurship. Land. Land refers to our natural resources, for example, farmland, water. Labor. Labor refers to all the physical and mental contribution of an employee in the process of production. Capital. Capital refers to all those items that go into producing goods and services. Entrepreneurship. This is the organization of other factors of production, that is, land, labor, and capital, into suitable proportions.
Rewards of factors of production refers to the payments made for use of the factors of production. Division of labor refers to breaking down of production process into stages and assigning each stage to an individual. Specialization, on the other hand, is where an individual concentrates on one line of production in which he or she is best suited. Goods can be classified as either durable or non-durable goods, which are also known as perishable goods. They can also be classified as either producer or consumer goods. Other classifications include public versus private goods, shopping versus convenience goods, and material versus non-material goods. Businesses can be formed at the various levels of production. Levels of production refer to the various stages at which the production is carried out. There are 3 levels of production, namely primary level, direct production refers to production of goods and services for one's own consumption, while indirect production is production of goods or services for sale. Read more about the features of the 2 levels of production in this page.